Okay, it is 4:04. We are rolling.
And I brought dinner.
We totally look like we're gonna rob something, right? You're wearing all black. I'm wearing a beanie, a black beanie.
I'm wearing black and peach. It is a look, okay? And I matched my bow with my shirt.
We're about to rob this whole city. All right, so here's my rating and acceptance rate and lifetime deliveries right here. You can see what it's like to be me, the low floor that's required to be this good. Legit still sitting in traffic. Like, this is literally insane. Haven't even got to the area yet. Like, this is quarantine. Come on, go. Dash now. Here we go.
Cool.
We're in. Okay, so
Dash and start your engine.
we did not start dashing until 4:20, even though we left the house at what, 4:05? That was the longest 15 minutes of my life, just to go like a mile and a half to get into a new dash area. But $4.50 peak pay.
3.5 miles.
Yeah, sure. App's already sucking tonight. Like, it's really, really, really bad. I've been out over an hour, and so in the first hour I had made $0. Zero, not a single dollar in the first hour. We're up to $18.50 in 1 hour and 18 minutes. It's bad. We're in bad shape. No tip, don't matter. $7 a pop. Not getting any double dashes though, it's killing. An hour and 58 minutes, we're sitting on $34. So really bad, this is really bad. After that first hour of making zero,
Just kind of,
yeah, the first hour set a really terrible tone. We're now on $17 an hour. Or just over actually, so.
I just love his optimism.
Yeah, just.
Oh dear.
I'm hopelessly optimistic. Making zero with $0. Okay, so we've been out just about 2.5 hours. We're on $50 even. That's up to $20 an hour. Not bad. Not bad. We're still grinding. That is not why we came out, but it's not terrible. That first hour was torture. There is nothing worse than promising the world to your wife that we'll be able to buy diamonds and rubies and jewels and nothing. We're in the Cave of Wonders and nothing. It's empty. It's starting to pick up. So since that first hour, really, in the last 90 minutes, we made 50 bucks. So I'm not all full of lies. So we each have Wingstop pickup for over $10, meaning if we just get these two done in the next hour, we're making over $20 an hour. Hey, baby, I love you. You are everything.
Stranger danger, stranger danger.
I'm now waiting for a third one. So we got 2 on this one, and then we got a third on this one. I really hope a fourth one comes through on this one. Worst case scenario, I deliver these 3 in the next hour. I'm gonna sit here for a while, and it's gonna be at least 28 bucks for these 3. I can do that.
I'm gonna take a nap.
She looks like we're making Taken 4 over here.
What?
Like I'm trying to hide you.
Oh, Taken. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, 17 something on that order.
What was the tip on that?
$11.
$11 tip?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's generous. We've been dashing in the wrong area.
She came and got it.
Yes.
That's what I'm about. I'm about that. Okay, so we started at 4:05. It is now 7:45. We've been out 3 hours and 40 minutes. We're going for $30 an hour tonight. We would expect to be at roughly $110. Now remember, we started the first hour out making $0, not a single dollar. And now we are at $102, meaning that we have jumped up from $0 an hour up to now about $27 an hour.
Nice.
So I would call that a comeback of sorts, one might say. That's legit, right? 7:45, we already made over 100 bucks.
That's pretty awesome.
So my wife is on 55.88. I am on 68.12. $123 in 4 hours and 2 minutes.
Nice.
So we are shooting over $30 an hour. That's after making no money for the first 60 plus minutes. That is a comeback story. Yes. So we got a half an hour left of
of the peak
Super
pay?
Dash, yeah.
You didn't put pickup on this?
Oh shoot, market pick. My bad.
Can't even mark it arrived at store.
I know. I'm 1 minute. I'll just drop this one. I gotta roll back. I apologize. Cutting into our earnings tonight.
So when you're doing multiple orders on separate phones, make sure to go back into each one and slide that you've arrived at the store and picked up the food before you leave, because we're having to drive back to the store.
Yeah, I got to drive back like 3 minutes to the store to mark the other one as picked up. No, it is nestled safely in the car.
Luckily, it's only about 2 minutes away.
Also, I was a little bit jealous, but also proud that while I was in the Wingstop, there was a dude rolling with 2 phones, and he had a total of 3 orders on there, and I know he's doing well tonight. All right, so we're on $149 in 4.5 hours. That's absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
So
people in this area tip.
Yeah, not to mention the bonus money. $150 in 4.5 hours.
Wow.
20 minutes later inside Fatburger, we were already 15 minutes late to pick it up. Yeah, pick it right. Because we were delivering another one on my phone, and it still took 20 minutes to get them both. So I don't know how I'm ever going to financially recover from this. But
yeah, it's definitely screwed things up.
yeah, that definitely screwed my hourly wage, to be sure.
And you're not seeing things, it is true. The driver has become the drivee.
Man, I had to decline all these orders because Fatburger took too long. I don't have any. Man, we're headed home. We'll be home in 5 minutes, and we will promptly do a recap. We lost our co-star. She wanted to go home. So I have 3 more orders at Wingstop, and then I'm going to head home myself. We were actually on our way home. I thought I was done for the night, and I just got them bam, 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 right next to each other. I figured, shoot, we got to make it up somehow. So we're going to bless our lives right now with these 3. Okay, now we have 4 orders. So this is our last 4. We're done for the night after this. We just got to crush these out. Our earnings are going to be solid. I think we're going to hit over $200. Dude, this was it. This was it. This is our Super Bowl. We came, we saw, we're about to conquer. I don't really care how long it takes inside this restaurant. Got 4 orders out the door in just one trip. It was like I was coming from the grocery store, and you know, I'm not going back in there a second time. Fortunately, the lady was actually on her game because I thought I got one of the wrong orders. She's like, nope, that was definitely on your phone. And I was like, I don't think so. And she's like, open your phone. And sure was. It was right there. I was struggling. There's too many names. Here we go. It's 10:11. Let's see how fast we can deliver 4 orders. 10:14, 1 down. 10:18, 2 down. Oh, my bad. I thought it was the first house. Yeah, you have a good one, boss. Okay, 10:27, 3 down. On my way to the last one. Remember, as the late Kenny Rogers say, you don't count your money when you're sitting at the table. We'll do the math when we get home. Man, I feel so amped right now. I could dash forever. Success. It's over. 10:30 on the dot. You kidding me? That is legendary. They were not going the same way either. Here we go. We're going to head home. It's over. The run's over.
In 0.2 miles, left turn.
10:35. That means we're out exactly 6.5 hours. This is one of the greatest Dash comebacks of all time. You heard it first. We had $0 after the first 60 minutes. We ended up with a lot. We're not going to brag, but it was a lot. Let's go inside and count it. Here is the earnings from tonight. There were 2 separate dashes on each phone. Grand total of $204 and a few cents on exactly 6.5 hours of work. Hourly wage of 31 plus an hour, 22 total deliveries. Guys, tonight was good, and that was after making nothing for the first 60 minutes. I hope you appreciate the video. If you have any questions about how I do what I do, if I'm not transparent enough, really showing exactly what I'm doing, please shoot me a comment. There is so much money to be had. It's not like a secret that only a few people can have. There is so much to be had tonight. If you were dashing, I hope you did well. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a great night.